Hi guys, it's my first time feeding my son. This is his first time eating strawberries. Wait, 1 second, 1 second, buddy, 1 second, 1 second. Do you like it? More? This is so cute. Let me go get you a napkin so they can eat dirty, okay? 1 second. Don't stay there, stay there, stay there. Look, I found some right here. Okay, let's feed you more, okay? Let's keep feeding you. Let's keep feeding you. Do you like it? No, no, why'd you spit it out? No, you don't like it? You don't like it? Alright. A lot, this is a lot. Okay, come on, you can do this, you can do this, you can do this. Is it sour? Is it sour? Okay, okay. Again. Ready? Here you go. You don't like it no more? You don't want it? Come on, help me. Eat this, come on. It's healthy. Do you like it? No, don't spit it out, no. Okay, here comes more. Ready? Here comes the train. Choo choo. Come on, you can do this, you can do this, you can do this. Okay, let me clean you up, alright? Want more? More? Okay, here you go. Ready? There you go. It's on your nose now. 1 second, 1 second. No, don't spit it out. No. I love you, kiddo. You want more? More? No, don't spit it. No. You gotta eat it. You gotta eat it. You gotta eat it. You gotta eat it. There you go. You have more right there. You have more. Ready? Again, right? 1, 2, 3. Come on, you got this. You got this. You got this. No! You dropped it all over my clothing. Don't do that. No, that's not nice. Alright, here comes another one. No, again? Oh. No. Put it in your mouth, in your mouth. There you go, there you go. Why do you make funny faces? Is it sour? Is it sour? More? Okay, here you go. Here you go, here you go. Wait, here comes. There you go, there you go. No, don't spit it out, no. I need to clean you again. Let me clean you. Okay. Ready? Here comes the next one. I think I'm putting you too much. Ready? There you go. You got this, you got this, you got this. More? Okay. Let me go get a chair to feed you because I'm getting tired. Wait up, 1 second, 1 second. Okay, there, much better, much better. doesn't like. Is it too sour? No, don't spit it out. No. Okay, here comes more. There you go. There you go. There you go. Okay, shit, dude. Ready? Here goes the next one. What happened? You don't like it? You don't like it? Come on, this is healthy. You gotta eat this. You gotta eat this. No, don't. No. Ew. None of my foot. Okay, ready? Again, again, again.